I'm going to show you how to add HTML code, such as this landing page HTML that Claude generated for me, to your Wix website. The first thing we need to do is copy the HTML code you want to add. So let's go ahead and do that by clicking on Copy. In Wix, head over to the page you want to paste the HTML code to. If you're not currently on that page, you can click on the Page drop-down menu on the top left-hand side, and then select one of the pages you want to add the HTML code to, or click on Manage Pages at the bottom and add a new page to add your HTML code. In my case, I'll be adding a new blank page. Name that page, such as HTML code, and then click on Done. I'm also going to click on these three little dots on the right-hand side, on Settings, and then on Layout to remove the header and footer from this page. Now let's X out of the Site Pages and Menu pop-up and click on Add Elements from the left-hand side panel. Click on Embed Code and then on Embed HTML. In the space provided, add your code and then click on Update. If you wish, you can also add what's in the embed by adding alt text in the space provided, as well as select which cookies or similar technologies are set by your code. These include Essential, Functional, Analytics, or Marketing. Let's X out of this HTML settings pop-up. You can also click to stretch the code if it's not all showing, and then click on Stretch to full width, as well as resize and reposition the HTML box so that everything appears. Once you're done adding HTML code to your Wix website, make sure to click on Publish on the top right-hand side to make your changes active. If you want even more Wix tips and tricks, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now.